बरसात भी नहीं रोक पाई मुझे आपको बेस्ट फ्लैट दिखाने में, तो समझ लो इट्स टोटली वर्थ इट. So you know when I was shifting to Bangalore, everyone was talking about Bangalore's weather. Now I know why. Weather तो एकदम chill है, cool है, पर अभी जो मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ आपको वो और भी ज़्यादा cool है. So वेलकम टू घर पे होम, जहाँ पे कंफर्ट, लग्जरी और कन्वीनियंस सब एकदम कॉम्बो पैकेज के साथ आता है. सो ये फ्लैट जो मैं अभी आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ इज राइट नेक्स्ट टू द टेक पार्क. सो ऑल द बिग कंपनी सब कुछ इधर आसपास है, जस्ट वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस. सो वेदर यू आर अ वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल और अ स्टूडेंट, कोई बात नहीं यार, वी हैव एवरीथिंग सॉर्टेड फॉर यू. सो 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK जो चाहिए सब कुछ आपको मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे. For that you just need to watch this video till the end because there is a surprise waiting for you. If you like this video, WhatsApp us in this given number, and if you need any details or if you're looking for any specific area, we have everything sorted for you. Let's check it out. एक लिविंग रूम मतलब सिर्फ ये नहीं होता है कि बस एंटरटेन करे गेस्ट को, बल्कि संडेज भी एक्साइटिंग होना चाहिए. इसीलिए वी हैव खड़पे होम्स विद द कोजीएस्ट एंड कंफर्टेबल लिविंग रूम वाइब. यू कैन सी दिस सोफा इज सुपर सॉफ्ट. एक बार बैठ जाए तो उठने का मन ही नहीं करता. यू कैन रिलैक्स एंड वॉच योर फेवरेट शो. वॉच IPL, तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा, या फिर कुछ भी नेटफ्लिक्स में देख लो यार. चिल विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. These cushions are really soft. You can see. You can keep your food or like cute decor items and everything over here. I love how it's well designed. You can see. The TV is over there. There is a TV cabinet. You can store few things over here. The storage is over here. You can also keep few decor things over here. Maybe a set-top box or music or speaker. Everything you can keep it over here. Then you have a refrigerator also over here. The point is over there. Also there is a cabinet, mini cabinet over there. You can keep your shoes over here. So everything is just sorted. One thing is most important, you need light in your room. So that's why we have ventilation provided over here. Fresh air and light equals to fresh mood. Now moving forward to the room where you're going to stay. Let's check it out. So एक अच्छा बेडरूम सिर्फ सोने के लिए नहीं होता है, बल्कि स्ट्रेस फ्री होना भी ज़रूरी होता है when you are sleeping. That's why we have this king size bed over here, 10 inches mattress के साथ. You also have 2 cushion over given. It's also very soft and comfortable. You also have a proper ventilation where you will get fresh air every morning. The sunlight is coming over here. You have a blackout curtains over here so that सुबह का नींद आपका खराब ना हो. You also have full size wardrobe available. You can keep few things over there, like your trolleys and everything you can keep over there. You can see this wardrobe. You have like separate space over here. You can keep your things organized over here. Over here also have a locker this side, so you can keep your valuable things inside safely. We also have 2 cute frames over here, which is giving very cool and aesthetic vibe in this room. Most important, we also have charging point over here, so it's just near your bed, so you don't have to stand over there for your phone to get charged. Moving forward, we have dedicated study table. You can use this as your work from home setup or to study also. You can keep your books and everything. It's a shelf over here. You can keep your books and everything organized over here. You can keep a bottle or the cute decor over here. You have a mirror over here for you to get dressed and get ready over here. You can keep all your skincare or makeup products or your perfume, everything over here. I just love how everything about this room is so cute and is so simple. They have also a very premium quality products they use. You can see over here. एक clean washroom होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So let me show you the washroom over here. We have 24/7 hot and cold water supply over here because सुबह का नहाना compromise नहीं होना चाहिए. Also the qualities over here, the tab and everything, it's very premium. There is a wash basin, there is a mirror, there's a shower, you have ventilation over here, and you can also see you can keep your things hanging over here. You can keep your shampoo, soap, everything organized over here. Moving forward, you can use this place as a utility space, or maybe washing machine can be kept over here. जहाँ खाना बनता है वहाँ का वाइब भी टॉप नॉच होना चाहिए, right? That's why we have this fully modular kitchen available only for you. तो चाहे पनीर बटर मसाला हो या फिर मैगी, सब कुछ बन जाएगा इस किचन पे. So let's check it out what we have it for you. ये सब कुछ अभी sealed है, so I cannot open it and show it to you. बस ये खुला हुआ है. We have this gas stove over here, as you can see, पूरा एकदम नया है, waiting for you to cook tasty meal. We also have cooking utensils over here. You have a kettle over here. You have automatic electric cooker over here. You have water purifier over here. You get RO water. Over here you have cabinets. You can store. They have all organized over here, as you can see. You can store spoon and all the other things over here. I'll show it to you. Plates you can keep. Also, there are many cabinets over here for you to keep all your cooking things organized. You can keep मसाला वगैरह जो भी है यहाँ पे, you can keep it stored. These places for that only. And ऊपर भी you have lot of space, you can see. तो देखिए किचन में बस स्पेस ही स्पेस है, तो कुछ कमी नहीं होने वाले आपको स्पेस में. तो whether you are a master chef और बस midnight मैगी मेकर like me, सब कुछ बन जाएगा इस किचन में. Everything is sorted only for you. We also have ventilation over here क्योंकि गोभी पराठा का स्मेल अंदर तक नहीं जाना चाहिए, राइट? दैट्स वाई इट इज़ ओवर हियर. वी ऑल्सो हैव अनदर यूटिलिटी स्पेस अवेलेबल ओवर हियर. यहाँ पे दिस स्पेस में यू कैन अगेन कीप वॉशिंग मशीन इफ यू वांट, और यू कैन जस्ट यूज टू हैंग योर क्लोथ्स एंड ऑल. So if you like this room which I showed you right now, WhatsApp us in this given number. We will share all the details that you need. Whether you're looking for 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, whatever you're looking for, we have everything available only for you.